Central Shariah Board for Islamic Banks of Bangladesh was established on August 16, 2001 by the instruction of Bangladesh Bank. It is a national non-profitable corporate body of 27 member banks, including Islamic banks, Islamic banking branches, windows, and non-bank financial institutions having Islamic operations in Bangladesh. The main objective of the Central Shariah Board is to assist the regulator and its member institutions for better harmonization and development in light of Islamic Sharia. The General Assembly of the Central Shariah Board comprises the Chairman of the Board of Directors, the Managing Directors, the Chairman, and the Member Secretary of the Sharia Supervisory Committee of member institutions. The Executive Committee has been formed with renowned industry leaders and Sharia scholars to monitor the regular activities. The Fiqh Committee has been formed with Faqih members to issue the fatwas or Sharia verdicts and approve manuals, standards, guidelines, and reports related to Islamic financial institutions. Central Shariah Board often visits and cooperates the regulator in various issues. Central Shariah Board conducts national and international conferences, seminars, workshops, and training independently and jointly with AOIF Bahrain, ISRA Malaysia, BIBM, and member banks. Central Shariah Board conducts various programs for capacity building like Certificate Course on Islamic Banking and Finance (CIBF), Certified Islamic Professional Accountant (CIPA), and Certified Sharia Advisor and Auditor (CSAA). More than 300 candidates have achieved CIPA, CSAA, and CIBF fellowship through Central Shariah Board. By signing 3 MOUs with AOIF, Central Shariah Board acts as an education partner, exam center, as well as translator of Sharia standards into Bangla. Central Shariah Board has been awarded the prestigious Global Islamic Finance Advocacy Award 2021 by the GIFA Authority of the United Kingdom. Central Shariah Board introduced the Central Shariah Board Islamic Banking Award to individuals and institutions for making extraordinary contributions to the Islamic banking industry in Bangladesh. Central Shariah Board publishes books, periodicals, and journals on Islamic economics, finance, banking, and Sharia. Central Shariah Board Library is enriched with over 2,000 books and booklets on Islamic economics in Bangla, English, Arabic, and Urdu. To enhance Islamic banking operations in Bangladesh, Central Shariah Board delegation periodically visits the member banks and exchanges views with high authorities. AOIF Sharia standards has been translated into Bangla from Arabic by the Central Shariah Board. The printed copy will be available soon for the general practitioners and general people. An expert team of researchers, practitioners, academicians, professionals, and Sharia personnel are working in the Secretariat under the leadership of the Secretary General.